Hi, I'm Remi Hensley. I'm a student here at Western Kentucky University. I'm an agriculture and pre-vet because I'm most interested in large animals. Through my experience here, I have discovered that I want to be a USDA veterinarian, so that way I'm able to check food and ensure everybody's safety through meat processing. Found my love for meat processing here in our meat science lab, which has been a very important place that I spend my time in. Growing up on a farm, I always knew that I wanted to do something with animals. I knew that Western Kentucky was going to be my home as soon as I came to the farm. Being on the farm has been a very important experience for me. I've joined the equestrian team, the meat science club. I've been very active in the church, and I believe that's all because of Western Kentucky. At Western, I just joined the equestrian team for the first time, and I recently had my first show and was able to win second place in my class, which was so important to me because growing up, I was very rarely around horses. Through the equestrian team, I'm able to learn how to properly take care and maintain the horse's health, which is very important because that's what I want to do with my life. I have no clue where I'd be without Western Kentucky. They have made me excel so much.